Whirlpool 7kg 5-star semi-automatic top-loading washing machine. Superb Atom 7.0, Grey Dazzle, Turbo Scrub technology. Semi-automatic top-loading washing machine. 7 kilograms capacity. 3 wash programs wash timer, min, 15 spin time, 5 mins maximum spin speed, RPM, 1450. Warranty, 2 years on product, 5 years on motor. Super Soak, easy removal of tough dirt by continuous soaking and scrubbing action for 25 minutes with Super Soak technology. Impeller provides perfect motion for clothes to remove dirt effectively. Inbuilt collar scrubber, the machine has been equipped with a special scrubber to give perfect wash every time. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.